Let's take a look today at this beautiful 2018 Platinum Coach Cadillac XTS Phoenix. Being a 2018, it's one of the very few that we've seen come in this late of a year. So something like this is definitely a great opportunity to get yourself into something very late model with remaining Cadillac warranties and allow yourself the latest technology and look that the industry has to offer. Moving alongside this coach, you'll see right up front, they start with your very nice 18-inch Cadillac chrome wheels. And then moving a little bit further down, you'll see that they've equipped it with some really nice stainless features, which includes your B and C pillar stainless, as well as your stainless crown band. What's great about this coach here, it's a nice specialized color, which is a great way to basically stand out from anybody else in your area or separate yourself from your competitors. These are your rolling billboards, so not having that traditional black might be a nice thing to catch a few more eyes going down the road. They're able to keep that paint color throughout the first half of that roof line, which is a very rare option. They call that a half slick top. So this here is a very expensive option new, so being on the pre-owned side of things, you can take advantage of getting into that for a little bit less. On the back half, they're able to keep your traditional Tuxedo vinyl top. And what's great about the newer cars, the way that they add this vinyl top, it's applied directly to the composite material where there's no padding in between that composite material and the vinyl itself, so you never have to worry about any sort of water wicking or any bubbles popping up anywhere on that vinyl. The way it looks today is how it will look 10 years down the road. Moving to the low door area of this coach, you'll notice they equipped it with another really nice stainless piece that's known as low door stainless. And that just dresses up that exterior a little bit more and ties in with the stainless along the side of the coach itself. Another nice piece to the back of this coach is your backup camera, which is located in the upper part of your license plate area. And that allows you a nice visual for anything behind the hearse. Moving back into the casket compartment itself, you can see the door opens up nice and wide, allowing you plenty of room to easily move in or out of that casket compartment area. This low door gives you a nice design to match the interior of the vehicle itself. And they've also equipped this with nameplates on your low door itself. So not only do you have it on your two side doors, but you can put your funeral home name in the back, which is a great way since, once again, this is your rolling billboard. So another way to just get more visual on your funeral home name. Let's take a look now inside the casket compartment where it gives you really nice light interior, creating some great lighting in the back of this coach, and your traditional Madagascar floor. Off to the right in that casket compartment, you'll also notice that you have your recessed beer pin. It's a quick release beer pin. So you just push down, release that beer pin from its storage area, line it up with the casket itself, push down on that button and lock in place. And same thing when taking that out, simply push that button down, put it back in its storage area, secure it to the side of the wall, and you're good to go for next time. In the bumper area, a major concern or a large concern for a lot of funeral directors is how they can protect that rear bumper from any damage of a casket itself. So Platinum Coach went ahead and added a very nice plastic piece here for protection of that rear bumper, and have added even more with your electric extend-a-sill, which with a push of the button on the bottom side of your load door will extend that sill past your rear bumper, allowing you even more security to your rear bumper, preventing any sort of damage from a casket being dropped directly on that and cracking it, and allows a nice easy transition into the back as well, extending that floor out a little bit further. Moving into the church truck compartment on this coach, you'll see it comes with your closed church truck compartment, but what's great about this one, you have a flip lid installed with it as well. So that allows you to either lay your church truck down, keep it completely hidden out of the way. However, if you needed to utilize that extra storage area, you can flip that lid up, store whatever's needed underneath, and also have your church truck standing upright off to the side. And then moving a little bit further over to the right, you'll notice you have your separated umbrella storage compartment. So that'll keep any wet umbrellas away from anything else that you may be storing to the left side. Moving over to the spare tire area on this coach, I figured I'd take advantage of that to show you the composite doors that this coach comes equipped with, along with its conversion area. What's great about that composite material is it'll keep your hearse looking as it does today, completely rust-free throughout your ownership. So no corrosion will ever happen on the exterior of this coach due to that composite material. Now moving into that spare tire compartment, you'll notice it's set up very similar to the church truck compartment with the closed off up top, however, leaving you that flip lid to gain easy access into that spare tire as well as your jack off to the right. Moving into the driver compartment of this 2018 Platinum coach, you'll notice it's set up with your traditional Cadillac XTS interior. What's great about the 2018 though, they did step you up in regard to technology. They now provide you with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is a great thing to use for navigation if you ever need to go out of town or out of the city. Simply just plug your phone in. Everything that's on your phone will come displayed right up on your screen here and allow you to continue on from there. This 2018 is a push button start, so you just apply your foot to the brake, make sure the key fob is somewhere in the vicinity of yourself. Click that button down, you'll notice it starts right up on the first turn. This coach has less than 15,000 miles, which is very rare to find. It's 14,777 to be exact. This will also go through our full reconditioning process to make sure it is 100% road ready for the next buyer. Being that low mileage and the condition it came in, probably not too much that we'll have to do, so this should be available to ship to you relatively soon. You'll notice moving into this compartment itself, you have your AC and heat controls as well as your fan speed all in the bottom area. You just click the bottom part of that and that will also open up into a storage area which provides you with a wireless charger as well as a USB port that you can plug into if you wanted to utilize that Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You have two nice cup holders here which you can keep your keys in or a drink on the road. And then your other storage compartment here which allows you a USB port as well as a USB-C port, which is one of the newer charging ports. So you can plug that in with your new iPhone or your old iPhone, whatever you'd like. And you also have a nice fob charger in there as well that you can store your keys in at all times to make sure those will never die on you. And then up top, we'll finish off with your strobe switch. So they locate that right up top in the usual location for those strobes. When you want to click those on, you just click it back. When that red light turns on, that lets you know your strobes are running. When you click that forward, that red light will turn off, letting you know your strobes are also off. In addition to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, this 2018 Platinum coach also comes equipped with a very nice backup camera. So you can see as soon as you click it into reverse, your backup camera will pop up as well as a distance gauge to let you know how far away any objects are from the rear of your hearse. Finishing off this 2018 Platinum coach, they equipped it with some really nice four-way clear strobes up front. Those come with the coach, so not something you're paying additional for. Already installed and ready to service your funeral home. That's a great way to add visibility to your service and just create a little bit more awareness. Another nice feature that already comes equipped on this coach are your flag mounts, which once again are already installed on here. All you need to do is order either 12-inch staffs or 18-inch staffs, whatever you prefer, through our website on our accessories page, or you can give us a call in the office, whatever's easier for you. But you simply just order those. You can get all sorts of different flags to customize that hearse for the individual you're having the service for. If you'd like more information on this beautiful 2018 or any other vehicle that we have in stock, please feel free to give us a call at 1-800-229-5008 or visit us online at parksuperior.com.